In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate your live website in the Wix dashboard, make edits to the duplicates for testing purposes, and then publish the updated version when it's ready. This process is particularly useful when you want to experiment with new designs or features, but need to ensure the changes won't affect your live site until everything is perfect. Let's get started with the first step, which is duplicating your live site. Open your Wix dashboard, ensuring you're logged in and viewing the list of your websites. From here, locate the site you want to duplicate. Hover over it, and you'll notice a menu icon or an ellipsis depending on your interface. Click this to reveal a drop-down menu. Look for the option that says Duplicate Site. Click on it, and Wix will start creating a copy of your site. Be aware that this may take a few minutes, especially if your site has a lot of content. The duplicate site will now appear in your list of sites, typically right next to the original, and it'll clearly be labeled as a copy. Now that you've got a duplicate ready, let's move on to editing this duplicate for testing purposes. Click on the duplicate site to enter the Wix editor, where you can start making your changes. This stage is your playground, where you can freely experiment with new designs, layouts, or features without worrying about errors impacting your live site. As you make adjustments, keep in mind that this is an opportunity to push creative boundaries, but always remember to test any significant changes. Ensure that all new elements are functioning as intended. You can preview them as you make adjustments in the editor to verify they're looking and working just right. Once you're satisfied with the edits and have tested everything thoroughly, it's time to publish these changes. Returning to the Wix dashboard, go to the duplicate site, which now reflects all your recent edits. Think of this as a trial run of your new design or changes. When you're ready, find the Publish button, usually located in the top right corner of the editor. Clicking this will publish your changes, but remember, you're still only doing this on the duplicate. This ensures there's an additional safety net, where you can double-check everything without interference on your actual live site. Double-checking here is crucial because you want to be certain your audience will receive a seamless viewing experience when the changes go live. Finally, once everything is confirmed and you're satisfied that the changes are solid, you can proceed to make it your main site. To do this, go back to the main Wix dashboard. You might find an option or button that says Set as Main or something similar. Click it,